Dragonfire Tools, quality affordable storage. Proud sponsor of our DragonfireTools.com studio.
Brian Hansen is the lead engineer at Tribotex, and he gets a lot of emails. I got a chance to look through them, Brian, and I picked out some of the most popular emails you get. And the first one is a question that I ask anytime I'm going to put anything near my vehicle. Is it safe for my vehicle?
It's safe for all vehicles. Doesn't matter if you have a performance car, an off-roader, or a daily driver, this thing is safe in any engine. Took us many years to develop it and make sure that it will be safe in any engine now and in the future.
Even my old classic car?
Your old classic car is going to love it. They removed lead from the fuel. That was a good lubricant. We've used zincs and such. This nanoparticle is superior to that technology, and it's a non-toxic, so you don't have to worry about its environmental impact.
I know a lot of new cars, you know, oil weights have changed a lot. It used to be just throw whatever oil you want in the car, and now new cars are so particular about what they need. So does it work with the brand new cars as well?
Yes. One of the best things about Tribotex is that it is a small amount of particles that are a lot of particles in a very small tube. So we do not change the behavior of your oil. It doesn't matter if you use Tribotex with synthetic or conventional oils. We do not manipulate the oil. We just use it as a carrier for our nanoparticles.
And another question that gets asked a lot, how long does Tribotex last? One dose, I guess, you put in your car.
Tribotex is terrible for us, but great for the people because it ends up lasting in your engine for over 40,000 miles. We recommend it maybe once every year, but really you can go a couple years without needing another application.
How do I know this isn't some snake oil I'm going to put in my car? What is going to indicate to me right away that it's working?
A lot of people in about 15 minutes of running will notice that their engine will get smoother, quieter, and in time you will see a performance increase because of the combustion efficiencies are going to up a little. So we're going to see better efficiencies inside the cylinder walls. You're going to have less friction. You're going to hear less lifter noise. You're going to have easier starts in the winter. There's lots of benefits that come from this tiny little tube.
And what are some of the benefits I'm going to see long term?
Long term, your car's not going to die. It's going to keep going. If you accidentally run out of oil, we do not recommend that. But in some cases, we've had customers come to tell us that they have survived and made it to a shop without oil.
Well, the science is there. They prove it on their website. You can check them out there. It's Tribotex.com. It's great for any vehicle, so go and check it out and see what it can do for you.
Time now for the lowdown with Magic Creeper.
Whoa, I got it. Do you know somebody else? If you know another person, I bet you they need a Magic Creeper. They certainly do if they have an automobile or a home. Maybe they live someplace. Right, you can use a Magic Creeper around the house. If you're doing plumbing under the sink, maybe you're working around on the floor, doing some cleaning, you can kneel on the Magic Creeper. It's gonna save your knees. You don't need to wear weirdo knee pads when you're working around the house, maybe doing the gardening. Perfect for that. Of course, you want to throw a Magic Creeper in your car because a traditional creeper can't come along with you. They're way too big, way too bulky. Magic Creeper rolls right up, only weighs a couple of pounds, and you can stick it right under the seats. It'll hide there until you need it. And when you need it, boy, you'll be glad you have the Magic Creeper. Maybe a breakdown beside the road, flat tire, perfect application for the Magic Creeper. You can roll it out there, kneel on that. It'll keep you off the glass or gravel, roots, maybe the mud. It'll keep you clean, it'll keep you dry, and you'll be able to make your fix and get on your way. If you have the emergency roadside kit as well, of course includes the Magic Creeper. You can also get some gloves and tools, lights, and some safety equipment to get you on your way safely and get to your destination. Maybe this person you know is a student and they're headed back to college. Well, you want them to be safe, so if they get stuck by the side of the road, you'll be glad they have the Magic Creeper and the emergency roadside kit as well. It makes a terrific gift, and if you don't have one for yourself, of course, grab a couple of them. Go to MagicCreeper.com to get the one, the only authentic Magic Creeper. Stay right there because Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, returns right after this.